So we're here now at 877 Union Street, Brooklyn. This project consists of installation of 20 windows. It's a landmark Brownstone, so we have to go to landmarks first to get windows approved and the job approved. There's only certain types of windows you can use for landmarks, and these is one of them. These are Marvin's G2 Ultimate. Again, they're approved for landmark with original brick mold. So in essence, we're tearing everything out, brick to brick, and reframing to accommodate our new window. As you can see, we're almost done with the project. We're working right now in the back ground floor. There was some gates there that had to be removed because it's installed through the exterior. The gates were removed, and this is the old window, as you can see now. And if you want to pan up a little bit, we have the new ones installed there. And that's the look. Let's take a closer look upstairs as far as the install process and see what they look like. Here the customer wanted to keep all his original interiors. So what we do, since we're ripping out brick to brick, which means we have to go all the way to the brick, what we did, we originally took the old window out. We took all the pockets, the old weight and chain windows that were there originally, and we went all the way back to the brick. Now, if you come closer, since the customer wants to keep these interior decorations and all this, we had to do a separation. So when we were ripping, we had to be careful not to disturb none of this interior. So this, even though it's a brick-to-brick install, we had to be very careful the way we rip these windows out to not disturb and create a separation, and also try to marry them as best we can with the interior. Very tall, 100 inches. Operation, they're locked there. And see how they operate, very smoothly. Very heavy window, but yet very smooth operation. This particular model, the top also, look, up and down very smoothly. Up. And these lock automatically. So if the top is up all the way, you come down and it locks automatically. Okay, this is one here. As you can see, this one has no interior casing that he's saving. Actually, he has this part, but it's away from the window. So as you can see, all the build-up and framework we have to do, everything is solid wood through and through. Insulate all the voids. Again, another tall window. She operates like a charm, one hand. And that's pretty much it as far as the window install, the process. And yeah, the job is becoming a success. That's all I can say.